Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Paver Experts. We are at a little project here this morning. We'll walk around and show you what we got. Alright, so we have this driveway, sidewalk area. Over to there. Originally there was paint or overlay on top of this driveway, so they had it all scraped off. But now it just clings all the dirt and algae in there. And then we're going to be cleaning and sealing all this curbing around the planter boxes. All along the front of the house there. And down along this side here. And a couple boxes in the back here. And then this one here. Okay, so that's our little project here for this morning. So let's get busy on this one. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up here. Now we're getting ready to seal this landscape curbing. So let me walk you around and show you what it looks like. Yeah, the driveway came out really nice. You can see where we stopped. We went out to the other side of the sewer. Landscape. All the borders all look good. Ready to be sealed up. And these things were filthy black. They look good now. Down along the side. And these tree rings here in the back as well. So they'll look good with some sealer on them now. Okay, so we're all set here. We're going to be applying Cyclone on these landscape borders. So let's get busy. Okay guys, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me walk you around and show you what it looks like now. Yeah, so much better. All cleaned up. 2 coats of Cyclone on this. So much better. It's got a little shine on it. Everything's clean. No more mold or algae on there. Yeah, so much better. Alright, and the tree rings here in the back. Like day and night. Okay, so that's a wrap here on this one. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us at 813-853-3557 or visit our website at www.supremetapabay.com. Again, this is Bill with Supreme Paver Experts, and we will see you at the next job.